fucking make more of a scene. Fucking homo, dude.
Look at that ass. I want to see
Excuse me. Do you want me to talk to the fat one or this one?
the fat one. No, the skinny one.
Which one? Tell me, dude. The fat one's leaving. We can go catch up with her.
The new one, Alex.
Excuse me. Can I have like 2 minutes of your time, real quick? Can you hear me? Can I have 2 minutes of your time, real quick?
Can I help you?
Hi, D. Sanchez.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, I work with a production company. We're making a new reality television show.
Okay. Like right now?
Right now.
Okay.
Sorry about that. My bad. I've got a bad.
Alright, I like you too.
What's your name?
My name's Maria.
Maria. You ever been on TV before?
Just home movies when I was like a little kid, butt
What
naked,
the
running around the
fuck?
yard.
What accent is that, dude? You have like a weird accent, dude. That's just like freaking out. Let's go, dude.
Hey, what's that thing stuck in your eye?
It's called an eyebrow ring. I like
I
it.
touched the eyebrow ring.
You want to touch my horn?
No. So, have you ever been on TV before? Can I ask you that? Did I already ask you that?
Yes, you did.
I'm sorry, I'm on Quaaludes, so I'm like a little fucking. I'm a little like.
Okay.
I'm a little jarred and shit. I'm, you
It's
know.
all 714.
Yeah. But,
So you're recording right now?
yeah, no, the camera's on. Now, the thing I want to know is if you'd be interested in being on TV because we're working like a newer. Alex, homo, shut the fuck up while I'm talking to the
This
young
is
lady
actually
for
live
5 seconds,
broadcast.
dude. No, it's not. Don't be a fucking.
There's not a
homo, dude.
satellite dish on this car. It's not a news.
That was just that was a like IQ test for you, but yeah, okay.
All right.
You're sharp. We got it. Your name's Maria, right?
Yes.
Are you like Cuban, Latino mixed, like right there? Where are you mixed with? Are you Cuban?
Mexican, Native American, German.
And you live here in Miami?
No, I live in Texas.
Why are you here then?
Oh, just for a visit? Why not?
Are you here like visiting family?
Nah,
Are
just
they
wanted to
Mexicans
pop on
too?
by.
Are you like Aztecian? Like you got Aztec blood, like fucking spirit chakra?
I have no clue.
You have no idea?
No.
Because you got like dark hair and shit. No, this is good. This is interesting shit, dude. She's got like dark hair right here. You mind if can I do that?
That's fine.
All right. She's got like dark hair. You look like you could be Latina though. I wanna do
Latino's just
Latina.
a
We're
general
gonna do Latina, dude.
classification.
Do you like her? You think she'd be good for it? You ever modeled or anything like that before? You ever been like a model, like done
Yes,
runway?
I've done, not runway, I'm too short.
I'm intrigued. What have you done?
Mainly
This is as real as it gets, motherfucker. I'll tell you what.
This is like erotic art, stuff like that.
Oh, like body piercing and tattooing and
No,
fucking
no.
painting your nipples up and shit?
No, that's fetish.
Putting like screws on them and stuff like that?
Once again,
that shit's
that's
hot,
fetish.
dude. I like that. I
Oh,
get that
you
shit
like
done
that?
at
You
least
can-
once a week.
Why don't you do it? They need
Can
some
we do it
guys.
right now, though? I mean, like, that's the thing.
We got a paddle, got some whips and chains,
Oh my
some
God.
leather, come on.
Where are you from?
From Texas, what do you think? We're a bit nuts down there.
What? Is everything really bigger there?
Lots of things are big there, but a lot of things are quite
O-rings
small.
are naturally huge then?
O-rings?
Harder to blow out than Miami girls' O-rings? You know what an O-ring is?
No.
Nobody fucking knows what an O-ring is. It's driving me nuts.
Well, it's your word apparently, so go ahead and submit it to a dictionary and maybe get 500 people
Fuck
to sign a
us.
petition.
We gotta go into the fucking Urban Dictionary and put that shit in there, dude. Take
There you
credit
go.
for it. Oh my god, dude. Let's rip this shit. You got a boyfriend?
Yes, I do.
What are you doing later today? Because I want to fucking hook up with you right now.
I'm probably going to be getting on a plane later today. I only stopped by for a couple hours.
What?
That's a fast trip to Miami.
Why would you only come in for a couple hours?
Why not? Spur of the moment.
Jesus Christ, dude.
You're a little loopy, aren't you?
Huh?
You're a little loopy, aren't you?
Fuck yeah. No, not enough drugs, I'm afraid to say. I think it's more from my parents' genetics than anything else.
Jesus Christ. This girl's giving me a headache, dude. Let's go.
I
I can't handle
gonna
this.
explode.
You want to hang out with us? You want to like maybe make a little money and hang out with us, or?
Sure, why not? See what you guys are about.
What do you want to do? Do you like?
I think she'd be good for the show. I mean, I'll have to see her in some of our show clothes.
Basically, what we got to do is we're gonna compete against other girls.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna like film you in like maybe a different outfit. Is that cool with you? Maybe.
That's fine. What type of outfit?
Some swimwear type.
Yeah, it's like swimwear, aquatic.
Well, swimwear can be very risque to almost nothing, like a ribbon.
I like
so what do you want me
aquatic
to
stuff.
wear?
This is
We'll
Betty,
put some fins on you, and
Betty swimming.
you want to try it out? You want to come with us, and we can,
I'll take a look.
take a look in the van. There's nothing in
All
there
right.
except for a queer.
We bought it at Fran's house.
Alex.
We'll be right back.